So bucket list. So here it says everyone has many dreams or goals to accomplish before they die. Right. So whatever, something serious, something stupid, anything that we wish to do in life, all of those come under this bucket list. Okay. So we have those items in our bucket list. That is what we call it as. Okay. So I have personally heard a bucket list from maybe some celebrities and all. But now that I have taken this topic a lot of times before, I know it more clearly what it is. So, yes, that is a bucket list. So, can you explain it to me now, since you know what is a bucket list? Okay. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Great. How was your day today?
Uh, Day was good, not
Okay.
such important. Yes.
What did you do being a Sunday?
Nothing special. I just attended a wedding and nothing
Okay.
so.
How was Christmas? Did you do anything for Christmas?
No, I did not do anything in Christmas because I am not like used to celebrate that particular.
No, like, it can be just anything, maybe going outside or, maybe meeting someone or anything. But anyway, that's all right. No problem. So yeah, did you go through the session document?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So today's topic is bucket list, right?
Bucket list. Okay.
Yeah. You went through it, right? Was it the same?
Went through one when I didn't went through
No,
one.
I asked you, did you go through the session document? So you said yes. So what was the topic? Was it bucket list only or was it something else?
Why I did not I couldn't download that document because the like slow internet speed.
Hmm. Then you
So
should say you didn't go through it, right?
I didn't go through it. Yes.
All right. Okay. So, yeah, no, I was asking because sometimes you get a different topic and I get different. So I just wanted to confirm that. But I guess it is this one only. So yeah, bucket list. Can you tell me what is a bucket list? Have you ever heard of this term before?
No, I didn't heard that word.
I haven't heard.
I just hear.
I
I haven't heard.
Okay.
So I just like hear one first time.
So bucket list. So here it says everyone has many dreams or goals to accomplish before they die. Right. So whatever, something serious, something stupid, anything that we wish to do in life, all of those come under this bucket list. Okay. So we have those items in our bucket list. That is what we call it as. Okay. So I have personally heard a bucket list from maybe some celebrities and all. But now that I have taken this topic a lot of times before, I know it more clearly what it is. So, yes, that is a bucket list. So, can you explain it to me now, since you know what is a bucket list?
Bucket list is a series of dreams and desires of a person
Hmm.
who want to be achieved in their future.
In their life,
In
because
their
some items can already be fulfilled or accomplished in their past or something, so it's not like only in the future. When it says in life, maybe as a child you wanted to learn to ride a bicycle, so that will also be counted as an item in your bucket list, which you might have already achieved by now, right? So
yes.
you can't say future. I think life would be a better word. Okay. So in life
Okay.
or before a person dies. Okay. So
Before.
yes, that is a bucket list. And series, again, I'm not sure. You can say list of desires and dreams. Like I really love the way you put it. Desires and dreams. Yes, that is very true. But yeah, it's not series. It is a list of um, desires and dreams. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have a bucket list?
Yes, I have a bucket list and my bucket list is full right now.
Okay. So what is there on your bucket list? Maybe some of the
Uh,
things that you can tell me.
yes. First of all, I just want to be I want to just like set up a business in the
Okay.
future. It's my
Hmm.
huge goal. I just
Okay.
want to be entrepreneur in my future, and
Mm.
I just want to go the skills, and the skill is to communicate in English is a one of them. So
Yes.
it
Yes.
helped me a lot.
Mm.
So it's a
So
very
then it would help me a lot. Okay.
it
Yeah.
would help me a lot, and
Okay. So business like in what? Like, have you decided anything in mind? Like, you can have business for various stuff, right? So for what
Yes,
exactly?
I want to establish an online business. So I am just running on it. There's just so many kind of like I can say that in a simple words, the digital marketing. It's a
Okay,
word.
okay. Yeah, so like Amazon, Flipkart and all, like an
Yes,
online store?
like online store, you can say that, but there is a many ways. A huge thing. It's a C like is a kind of
There are
like
many things. Okay, yeah.
there are many like affiliate marketing and
Hmm.
other things are
Yeah, yeah,
there.
yeah. A lot more. It's very
So
broad, you can say, right?
it's a broad test. We can
Yes.
say that any digital product you can purchase and you can sell. I can say
Mm.
the particular thing in any digital product you can sell to your audience who is virtual, who is on the like internet.
Hmm.
So if you
Right.
want to establish that kind of business, it called the digital
Okay.
marketing and
Hmm.
want to do this. So it's not I just not need to so much efforts there. I not need to
Hmm.
do the raw materials and to achieve like so many things. We just have online courses there to teach us how to do this particular business and how to achieve your target audience and how to generate the leads and all extra and all of these stuffs.
Hmm. So by when approximately do you think you would be able to finally establish and begin with this? Like maybe like a rough approx how many years?
1 year after 1 year.
That's great. So I think you are already on it, trying
Yes,
to
yes,
figure out what to do, when and how, right? That
yes.
is great. That is great. Good luck for that.
Thanks, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, what else? What else is there on your bucket list?
What else? This is the first goal, and the other goal is if I can achieve this, if I uh, can achieve this, and it's my mind to strolling the world. I just want to visit all around the world.
Yes,
So
yes.
it is
A world
the
tour, right?
yes, world tour is a perfect word to define this particular thing that I
Yes, yes.
want to say.
Right. So, in fact, I would say that is one of my items on the bucket list as well. So yeah, I'm sure like maybe not soon, but yeah, with time, when you eventually become rich, you would be able to afford that as well.
Yes.
Anyway, okay, so any particular, like obviously when you say world tour, you will try to cover as many cities and countries as possible, but any major city or country that you really wish to visit?
Uh, it's Australia. The first
Okay.
is my
Why? Why
dream.
Australia?
It's a beautiful country, and my younger brother is there as well.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. You can visit him as
So
well. Yeah.
it's my priority to visit there at a once in my
Hmm.
life. So it
It
is
would be my priority, okay? Because it's about the future, right? So, yeah.
food is also I can use in a future or past.
Future. Uh, yeah, future. It's actually, I would do it. I would have done that. So it is actually in both. So when you use would in the past, you will surely have some word with the past tense in it. I would have done. So done is the past of do, right? So
Okay.
accordingly, yeah. It's a little confusing, but yeah, once you
Yes.
figure it out,
Yes.
then it's all right. So yeah,
It's advanced kind of English, like we so
I know.
grammatical things. Yes.
Yeah, sometimes learners make mistakes, and when I correct them, and if they end up asking me why, it's like I don't have a proper explanation as to why. It's just that once I know what is right and what is
Yes.
wrong,
Yes.
so when you hear it, you just feel like it doesn't sound right. So then you make it right, but you might
Yes.
not know the reason every time as to why is that wrong and why is that right. It is just the sound of it. So it's like obviously there are grammatical rules and all as well, but you don't exactly know how to use that in the explanation, right? So
Yeah.
that is sometimes tricky, but yes. So right now, like I said, if it is used in the past, it would have some past some word with it in its past tense form along with it. So then that is how it is. Okay. Yeah. So Australia, which other? Maybe just name two more and then we could go ahead.
It's a like a very beautiful place which is located on US. It's called Maldives.
Yeah, yeah, I'm aware, I'm aware. Maldives, yes, that
Maldives is
is
a very
beautiful.
beautiful place.
Yeah, I've heard it's very expensive to
Yes,
go,
expensive as
right?
well. Yes, it's a
Yes.
coastal part, it's a coastal region of
Mm.
the US.
Yeah.
So yes,
What else? Which other place?
which other way? Bahamas is the other country. I think that Bahamas is the like near from the US.
Maldives.
Maldives is like separate
Maldives
country.
is in Asia, if I'm not wrong. I'll just confirm.
Yes, it's in Asia. I
Hmm.
think that.
Yeah. Maldives is located southwest of Sri Lanka. Like it's in
Yes,
the Indian Ocean only.
yes,
So it's
yes,
near to India, but yeah, nonetheless, it is costly. So
yes,
yeah. Right. So you don't want to visit places like US and London and all?
yes. If I would get a chance to
You would love
visit
it.
them,
Yeah. So
yes, I
those
would
are two
love.
places for me. Apart from that, then we have Singapore. But that's
Yeah,
beautiful. And Dubai. Dubai is also.
Singapore. Singapore is the most expensive. It's expensive than other countries. It's a very expensive place.
I think Australia is more expensive.
Yes, Australia is expensive too, but my friend was my village friend was there once in Singapore, and he told me that it's a very expensive country to live.
Huh.
The
Maybe to
price.
live, but to visit, I think maybe.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
The
when it comes to living,
airfare,
because I've
air
heard
ticket.
they kind of prefer Singaporeans only for recruiting and for like
Yeah,
there is very less migrants compared to other
yeah,
countries
yes,
somewhere.
yes, yes.
So that could be one reason they have difficulty in surviving because they face that. So all right, moving on. Can you just tell me one more thing on your bucket list and then so one was business, the second is world tour, and third,
World tour.
it can be something, I don't know, stupid also or something, anything, anything.
Anything I go. This is the two major things. And if I can do these things properly,
Hmm.
then yes, my bucket list
Okay,
will
anything you
almost.
want to do in the near future? Like I know even the business is just one year away, but anything else that you want to maybe do in the next 2 3 months, maybe or
In next 2 3 months, the major bucket list of mine and the major goal of mine is to achieve the good communication skills. This is my short term goal. Yes.
yes, yes, short term goal. Exactly. So, right. What like something, I mean, yes, this is also one of them, but something I would have said is, so I really want to try these adventurous things. Like we have bungee jumping, we have skydiving and all of that, right? So I've never done that in
Yeah.
life, and I know I will be dead scared when I go to do it, but nonetheless, I really want to, at least once in my life, experience how it feels and all of that. So yes, that is also an item doing adventurous stuff on my bucket list. So
Oh,
yeah. What about you? Are you into adventurous stuff or you
no.
don't find
Right.
them?
Right now. Uh,
Why? Why don't you like them?
I scared about those things, and
Okay.
I want to just do like rafting. I just
Hmm.
want to do rafting once in my life, and
Yes, yes.
it's organized in Rishikesh as well.
You did.
No, I did not. But I
Okay.
want to do. I want. I want.
Okay. All right.